Have you wanted your utensils that you keep by your stove to stay in place instead of just all falling over to one side? Well, I've got a treat for you, and I'm going to show you how I do it. This is my utensil container, and these are my utensils. What am I going to use to make them stand up? Dried beans. So I'm going to take my dried beans, I'll use one of my spoons, and I'm going to just put them in here. Get them enough in there so that I can just pour the rest in there without making too much of a mess, because I do make a mess. Just ask my husband. But I always clean my mess up. See? Pretty cool. Now let's see if I can pour the rest of them in without making a mess. Ha! Voila. Now, I can put my utensils in where I want them to be, and they will stand up as I want them to stand up. Where's my big spoon? All nice and pretty. And then I'm going to put this other spoon in over here. He's kind of tall. Oops. Knocked over my little guy. So now I'm going to put this guy right in the back here, because he's really tall. Get in here. And my spoon. There. Now they're all standing up in the beans. Very cool.